Welcome back. This is Skip Hambrook, and today I'll be looking at the Octo Rake from Sparrows Lockpicks. Sparrows. Come out of this kit. That's just stock full. Okay, let me get the camera situated. Okay, this is the Sparrows Octo Rake. Had it for a while, but I never used it, and we're going to take a look at it today. If I can get it open. There we go. Okay. This is the beauty. Could use a little. Wait. I don't know. Never seen a rake that big before. Well, let's try it out and see if it works. Okay. Let's see if it'll fit in this keyway. It fits, but this is the easiest rake and lock I have, and it doesn't work. Okay, let's take a look at some of the other rakes that Sparrows has. Okay. These are some other profiles. Let's choose the Bogota. That is probably the most appropriate rake. Okay, that one works. Octo Rake don't. That's it. That's it for today. Okay, that ain't it.